Hey everybody, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel. Well, we've got a few more Christmas cards and my Christmas stash. Stick around, let me share it with you. First up is going to be our Christmas card from our buddy Tony Lancer. Check it out. Is that not cool? Merry Christmas, buddy. Appreciate the kind words, and we wish you an awesome Christmas and a great New Year as well. Hope all is well with you. Appreciate it very much, Tony. Next up is from Larry and Kathleen Roper at Larry's Model Shop. Is that not cool? Looks like an old Chevy. I think that's a Chevy. Oh, it doesn't matter. Good old truck with a Christmas tree in the back. Awesome stuff there. Amanda and I appreciate it very much, Larry. Hope you guys have an awesome New Year and your Christmas was great as well. And by the way, guys, if you are not familiar with Larry's Model Workshop, head over there, check him out. I try to keep up with as many as they can. And you know what? The great thing about YouTube creators is there's so many of them coming up now. And you can never have too many because there's always great new ideas, great new things, techniques, and things that I learn. Even though I've been building models for over 60 years, I still learn big time, and I appreciate you guys. And of course, the algorithm, it kicks it up, and it really helps the community as a whole. So we appreciate the content creators. Larry, again, thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. And then from William, our buddy at Ruckus Rods, check that out. We got some presents, a tree, another great truck, and we got some awesome, got a couple of, I know there's another one. Yeah, there it is. A couple of the stickers from Ruckus Rods. So, William, thank you for these. They will go in a prominent place. And, you know, guys, who doesn't like, when it comes to drag racing, good old gassers and Willis's to boot? You just can't beat the classics there. So, William, thank you so much. Thanks for the kind words. Wishing you a great new year as well. Hope all goes great for you. And again, and what you do for the community as well. Next up is my Christmas stash. And first up, I got this awesome 57 Corvette. Now, this is a diecast from, and I always pronounce that Meadows, but I don't, Meadows, I don't care. It's cool is what they are. So we got a 57 Corvette diecast. You see the screwdriver up there. And guys, honestly, for a shelf model, these turn into some really great looking kits. And these do have the engine. So if you wanted to detail them up a little bit, you could do that. Check out that interior with a white dash and all. Very, very cool. I like these. I really do. And like I said, they make an awesome little shelf model. You can add some bare metal foil or use your chrome markers, however you want to do it, to add a little extra highlights to it. Got a couple different sets of wheels there. Cool, huh? Next up is something I got from my granddaughter, Zoe, who someone must have told her about my love for 39 and 40 Ford, whether it's a coupe sedan delivery, doesn't matter. I love 40 Fords. My dad had a 39 sedan and a 40 coupe. And I remember even right up to when I started high school, he still drove that 39 sedan. It was a cool little car. And this was given to me by my granddaughter, Zoe. Say hi, Zoe.
Hi.
Well, don't say hi, Zoe, but say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
And she is dressed for a special occasion here with her oversized t-shirt on, and I'm going to be sharing with you in an upcoming video here.
Yeah.
We're getting ready to film in just a few minutes. Yeah. Right, Zoe? Yeah. And then I got this 66 Mustang. As most of you know, the theme for Atlanta next year, two themes. One is pickup trucks, and one is the anniversary of Mustang, 60 years of Mustang. So I have one in mind, but I have been looking at a couple of other ones from this era, 65 through 67, and I'm kind of sold on an idea for this too. So I've got a decision to make, but this is a cool kit either way. So I look forward to digging into this. Got a lot of custom seats, custom front spoiler, This is not a bad kit if you've seen it before. And dual red lines. I did not know that. Cool stuff, and some great decals too. And lastly, I got something that most of you are going to know automatically. The significance of this kit is it was the very first kit that I ever built when I was 6 years old with my father. He already had this kit, and I probably got 6, 7 of these things, but when someone sees it, they get me another one. And I do have some plans. I don't know whatever happened to that first one, but I actually also have the Hot Rod magazine that the real car, Green Hornet, is on the cover. So I've got some great research pictures of it too, but this means a lot. And this is just an old, now this particular copy was from, copy, I don't see a date on this one. It must be on the other side. Here we go. Actually, I don't see a date on this box at all, unless I'm overlooking it. Call me out on it if I missed it, guys. Doesn't really matter. It's a great old kit with some great sentimental value to me. As you can see, this one's already stripped off of the sprue. I sat and did that while I was going through the thing, and with my pocket knife of all things, so I got to do some cleaning up on it. But I have such fond memories of this kit. I think I want to go back and do a couple of these things. One pretty much straight out of the box if that's possible, and then I'm going to do one kind of decked out and using the research pictures. But guys, that's the haul for Hobby Dude this year, and I am tickled to death with it. Awesome stuff. Also, check out my carbon fiber blue line ring. See, I don't know if you can see the carbon fiber up in there. Cool stuff, huh? I love it. But guys, thank you very much for tagging along on this one. I hope you all had a great Christmas and got some styrene too. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later. God bless. See you in the next one.